If you like the video, make a drink and subscribe to the channel.
On May 14th, Chinese phone maker OnePlus will unveil its OnePlus 7 flagship series. But until then, the company isn't shy about dropping hints about what the phones will feature. In the company's latest tweet, OnePlus posted a GIF with an animated schematic of the phone featuring 3 rear cameras. It then used the hashtag OnePlus 7 Pro, which is the name of the higher-end variant of the OnePlus 7. Tickets for the New York location of OnePlus launch event is also available today for users interested in attending. The phones will be the successors to the OnePlus 6T, with the OnePlus 7 Pro being one of the first phones available to support 5G connectivity as well. Since 2014, when the company launched its first OnePlus One, OnePlus has garnered a reputation for making phones with premium specs, which can compete with iPhones and Galaxy S devices, at a wallet-friendly price. The news that the OnePlus 7 has 3 rear cameras is not altogether surprising. The rumor has been floated as early as March, and that the setup would include a 48-20 and 5-megapixel camera. Triple rear cameras are also appearing on more phones, including the Galaxy S10, the Huawei P30 and the upcoming LG V50 Thin Q. OnePlus did not immediately reply to a request for comment.